Welcome back to Tech Vibe, your source for the deepest dives into the tech that matters. The speculation is finally over. The M5 iPad Pro is here, and it's a seismic shift, not just an incremental update. For months, the tech world was buzzing about when Apple would unleash the next generation of its Pro tablet lineup, and now we have authentic, official details, painting a picture of a device that is more of a portable AI workstation than just a tablet. Let's start with the most important question for anyone waiting to pull the trigger: the release date. Apple officially unveiled the new iPad Pro with the M5 chip on October 15, 2025. Pre-orders went live immediately upon announcement, and you don't have long to wait if you want to get your hands on one. The official in-store and customer delivery date is set for Wednesday, October 22, 2025. So mark your calendars, the next chapter of the iPad Pro experience has already begun. Now, let's talk about the beating heart of this monster, the M5 chip. If you thought the M4 was a leap, the M5 is an outright launch into a new era, specifically around artificial intelligence. Apple claims the M5 delivers an AI performance boost up to a staggering 3.5 times faster compared to the M4. This isn't just a number, it fundamentally changes the workflows you can tackle. We're talking about real-time, on-device image generation using diffusion models in apps like DrawThings, and ridiculously fast AI video masking in tools like DaVinci Resolve. How do they do it? The M5 features a new 10-core GPU architecture, with a dedicated neural accelerator built into each core, all linked to a faster, 16-core neural engine. This architectural redesign is what turbocharges the entire Apple intelligence framework on the device. Stop for a second and think about that. A tablet that can handle complex AI tasks faster than many high-end desktop computers from just a couple of years ago. That is the new reality of the iPad Pro M5. But the upgrades don't stop at AI. The raw processing power is also significantly enhanced. The M5 features up to a 10-core CPU, a combination of performance and efficiency cores, which Apple boasts contains the world's fastest performance core. This translates to a notable boost in graphics performance as well, with the chip incorporating a third-generation ray tracing engine. We're seeing up to 1.5 times faster 3D rendering with ray tracing compared to the M4. If your workflow involves graphically intensive applications like Octane X for 3D or heavy multitasking in design apps like Adobe Illustrator, this machine will feel entirely different. Beyond the M5, the memory and storage subsystems have seen critical improvements, particularly for the base models. The entry-level 256GB and 512GB storage models now start with a much-needed 12GB of unified memory, a 50% jump from the M4's base configuration. The 1TB and 2TB models retain their 16GB of RAM, but all configurations benefit from significantly faster memory bandwidth, now exceeding 150 GB per second, which is nearly a 30% increase. This extra bandwidth and RAM are crucial for seamless multitasking, especially with the introduction of new windowing and multitasking features coming in iPadOS 26. Furthermore, Apple has boosted storage read and write speeds up to 2x faster, meaning apps launch quicker, and large files transfer in the blink of an eye. Wait, you're telling me this tablet charges how fast now? Now, here is a sleeper hit feature that might change your charging habits forever. For the first time, the iPad Pro supports fast charging. With a 40W adapter or higher, you can juice the battery up to 50% in approximately 30 to 35 minutes, depending on your model. No more hour-long waits when you're rushing out the door. Connectivity is another major area of authentic upgrade. The new iPad Pro packs two brand new, custom-designed chips, the N1 and the C1X. The N1 wireless chip ushers in support for the latest Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 6 standards. Wi-Fi 7 is theoretically capable of blazing speeds, and the real-world benefits will be felt in lower latency, increased reliability, and much faster speeds for downloading massive files. For the cellular models, the C1X modem delivers up to 50% faster cellular data performance with significantly improved power efficiency, meaning less battery drain on the go. One final pro feature that's a game changer for desk setups is the enhanced external display support. The new M5 iPad Pro can now drive external displays at up to a 120 Hz refresh rate and introduces support for adaptive sync. For video editors, gamers, and graphic designers, this means smoother motion and lower latency on your high refresh rate external monitors. It finally makes the iPad Pro truly capable of driving a proper desktop setup. The new M5 iPad Pro, available in 11-inch and 13-inch sizes with the same gorgeous Ultra Retina XDR OLED display, maintains the incredibly thin and light design established by its predecessor. The 13-inch model is still Apple's slimmest device ever. While the design remains consistent, the internal upgrades, from the revolutionary M5 chip and its AI acceleration to the faster memory, Wi-Fi 7, and fast charging, position this as the most professional, powerful, and future-proof tablet Apple has ever made. It's an evolution driven by silicon, making the iPad Pro a legitimate, portable desktop-class machine. If you're still using an M1 or older iPad Pro, or if your creative workflow demands desktop-level AI and graphics, the M5 is not just an option, it's the definitive next step. So, there you have it, the full breakdown of the M5 iPad Pro. If you found this deep dive valuable, smash that like button and subscribe. Until next time, keep your tech cutting edge.